In 1872, a British Royal Navy research ship called HMS Challenger set sail on a journey unlike any the world has ever seen. Its mission was simple but dangerous: to study the depth of the ocean and the structure of the seafloor, and to identify deep regions that could pose threat to sea travels. After 3 long years at sea, in 1875, the crew found themselves deep inside the vast Pacific Ocean. Using long drops weighted with heavy engines, they began measuring the ocean's depth. The drop was lowered and lowered and lowered again, but no matter how much rope they released, the seafloor never appeared. Hours passed. Finally, the rock stopped at more than 8 kilometers below the surface. It was the deepest ocean point ever discovered by humans at that time. The scientific world was shocked. This mysterious abyss was later given a name. We all know the tallest mountain on earth is Mount Everest, standing at 8.84 kilometers above sea level. But the deepest point of the Mariana Trench plunges down to nearly 11 kilometers. That means if Mount Everest were placed upside down inside the trench, it would still not reach the bottom. Now imagine the danger. Further research revealed something terrifying. The seafloor didn't descend smoothly. First, it dropped sharply, then it flattened. Then, without warning, it plunged downward again for kilometers. 75 years later, in 1921, another Royal Navy expedition returned. Using sonar, they measured a depth of 10.9 kilometers in honor of that ship. The deepest point was named Challenger Deep. In 2009, a unnamed submersible researched the bottom, but even then the extreme pressure made exploration nearly impossible. The trench is about 69 kilometers wide. Sunlight has never reached its depth. At Challenger Deep, the pressure is over 16,000 psi, equivalent to placing 50 jet airplanes on the top of your body, and yet life exists there. During a Japanese deep sea expedition, a submersible reported being attacked by an unknown massive creature. Witnesses described a head as large as two humans combined, a body nearly 20 meters long. Some believe it was something extinct, something ancient. Many still claim it could have been a legendary megalodon, the largest shark to ever exist. But no proof, no confirmation, only fear. On January 23, 1960, US Navy officers descended into the trench about the submersible resist. At extreme depth, one of their glass viewing windows cracked. Any further damage would have meant instant death. Yet they continued. After 4 hours and 48 minutes, humans reached the deepest place on Earth for the first time. Because of the technological limits, large portion of the Mariana Trench remain completely unexplored, which means Earth's greatest secret may not be in space, but beneath our oceans.